Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best jumper cables that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Multifunctional Roadside Car Emergency Kits. This is a versatile jumper cable kit. In addition to the cable, it also has a flashlight, triangle, tow rope, first aid kit, and a safety hammer. All these accessories will make you well prepared for any emergency. The cable is heavy-duty and handles large currents well. It comprises a thick copper core for seamlessly flow of current. This allows the car to start much faster and also reduces energy losses. The sheathing or cover is made from rubber and is also thick. This protects the piece from getting cut. It also ensures there are no energy or current losses. The crocodile clamps feel tough and maintain a firm grip on the terminals and other products. They nonetheless won't scratch, wear out or damage the points. It has a decent length to handle most situations and only weighs 3.9 pounds. Carrying it around is, therefore, not a challenge. It's well built to handle the weather and regular use. Besides, it's small, lightweight, and working or moving around with the accessory isn't a challenge. It fits nicely in the carrying case. Moving on at number 4, we have the Auto Jumper Cables with Carry Bag. This is a high-performance jumper cable. It's suitable for most vehicles and is also easy to use. It will handle amperes current as high as 1200 amps. Moreover, it doesn't suffer from current leaks. This ensures that the maximum power is delivered for fast and efficient starting. It comprises heavy-gauge copper core and an equally sturdy PVC insulation. The sheathing protects the core and also prevents energy losses. The unit is 20 feet long and is also very flexible. This enables you to use it even in tight angles. The accessory doesn't get tangled up and this simplifies use. The clamps fit tightly on the battery terminal but won't damage the points. They also are more resistant to corrosion, rust, and chipping. The PVC insulation isn't affected by oil, heat, acid, cold temperatures, and other things. It rolls smoothly and will fit inside the carry case. For extra safety, the carry case is zipped. This unit is okay for 24V, 12V, and 6 volts power systems. At number 3, we have the Booster Jump Cables 10 gauge with Carry Bag. The Cartman cables are amongst the best jumper cables in the market. They enjoy great reviews and come from a trustworthy brand. Measuring 12 feet long, they should be alright for most situations. They work with small cars, light trucks, SUVs, MPVs, and many more. Using them is pretty easy even for a rookie. You will get simple instructions with each pack. The tough crocodile grips maintain a firm grip on the battery terminals or any other points. Moreover, they don't scuff or scratch the surface. This ensures the terminals are well protected. The good spring action prevents any sparking, whereas good insulation minimizes energy leaks. Moreover, it maintains the right tension and is unlikely to come loose. The core comprises 10-gauge CCA strands that do a good job. And although they aren't solid copper, they have good conductivity. It will tolerate regular use, folding and unfolding, vibration, dirt, grease, oils, and more. Besides, it's weather-resistant and can be used outdoors in any kind of weather without a problem. The booster cable comes with a luxurious carry bag for convenient carrying and storage. At number 2, we have the heavy-duty booster cables with Carry Bag. This is a high-performance jumper cable and is appropriate for the majority of vehicles. It's very easy to use and will deal with current as high as 150 amps. The cable is very flexible and winds and unwinds easily. It has a tough sheathing to prevent electrical current leakages. This makes sure that the optimal power is supplied for quick and effective starting. It consists of a tough copper core and a durable PVC insulation. It's 4 gauges and is sturdier than most in its category. The unit is 25 feet long and is additionally really versatile to allow you to use it in many situations. It does not get entangled up and also the strands don't break easily. The clamps fit firmly on the battery terminal without causing any scratching, chipping, or any other damage. The accessories clamps and wire are resistant to deterioration, corrosion, and cracking. The PVC insulation isn't impacted by heat, oils, acid, and various other compounds. It rolls efficiently and will fit inside the carry case well. And finally at number 1, we have the heavy-duty jumper cables. The No. 1 booster unit is among the best jumper cables in the market. They are 25 feet long and ought to be sufficient for many circumstances. They are fit for most vehicles, including hatchbacks, SUVs, MPVs, light trucks, and a lot more. Using them is rather simple and you will get straightforward directions inside the pack. The grips are strong and have good tension and maintain a tight grasp on the battery terminals. Moreover, they won't scrape the terminals or leave any indentations or marks. This makes certain the terminals are well secured and won't start corroding. The good insulation lessens power leakages as well as prevents any looseness. The core is made up of tough CCA strands and also is more resistant to deterioration and corrosion compared to other alternatives. Moreover, they have great conductivity despite not being solid copper. They endure routine use, folding and unraveling, the elements, and more. Also, it's weather resistant and can be utilized outdoors in any type of kind of climate. The booster cord includes a nice carry bag for hassle-free carrying and storage. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.